And in case you haven't noticed, I do tend to post a lot of space bun pictures on my Instagram. People of the internet, and welcome back to another hair tutorial. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you definitely should, at AJ_is_amazing. And if you are following my Instagram, then you may have seen a few of my space bun pictures that I've been posting on there. So I thought I would do a space bun tutorial for all of you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so to start off this hairstyle, I do have my hair generally parted down the middle. And so to start this off, I do have my hair into two sections for each of the different space buns. So I'm going to take out this one section of hair. We're just going to brush it out, just to make sure that it's ready. And then we're going to take a black rubber band here, or whichever kind of rubber band you'd like. Whether you want to do hair color, black, white, doesn't matter. And we're going to brush it up into a high ponytail, so eventually we end up having two pigtails. And now that we have it brushed up into a high ponytail / pigtail, we're just going to tie it off with an elastic. And I'll be doing the same thing with this side. And now, probably the hardest part about doing the other side is making sure that they are in line with each other. And I'm noticing that this side is a little off, so I'm going to go ahead and fix that. And now I'm just making sure that they are about in level with each other, and it looks like they are. So now to make the whole space buns. So I do have my spin pins here. And if you haven't seen my basic bun tutorial, those are what I used for that. And so we're first going to twist the hair and make it into a bun. Now the hardest part is going to get the other side to look the same. And now I'm just going to check to make sure that they both line up about right, and if they don't, then I'll be sure to fix them. Alright, now that we know that they are safe and secure, and they are also lined up with each other, you have another optional step where you can use some hairspray to hairspray them down. And if you're going to hairspray in these space buns, I also recommend spraying down any frizzies you have. And there we go. These are just some cute little space buns. And in case you haven't noticed, I do tend to post a lot of space bun pictures on my Instagram. So those are just some cute little space buns in case you're wondering how to do those. And here's the back view of them. Thank you all so much for watching. So have a great night, have a great morning, have a great week, have a great weekend, whatever's going on. Be sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it and comment down below any other hair tutorials or any other video ideas you'd like for me to do. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome content like this. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video.